Bonkers Smurf House with bizarre bright blue roof on sale for £3.5 million. Dubbed the Smurf House. This huge 7-bed property in Michigan, USA has an unusual bright blue roof which goes completely against the serene lakeside landscape. Most homes tend to blend into their surroundings and have similar designs to other buildings nearby. Areas of England such as the Cotswolds are well known for their distinct and beautiful style of architecture. But one house in Michigan, USA, has taken a different approach. The property in West Bloomfield has a bright blue roof and has been dubbed the Smurf House. The 7-bed and 8-bathroom home has been listed on the market for a whopping price of more than $4.2 million or around £3.5 million. Built in 1920, the 7,476 square feet house was listed on property website Zillow on Saturday, May 14th. The unusual features of the house have attracted much interest and pictures of it have gone viral online. The eye-catching home looks distinctly different from the natural lakeside landscape that surrounds it. Another joked, "I'm so old, all I can think about is how much the roofing bill will be."